Hey guys, what's going on? Rhett here at a client's property. My man Charles, this is his first rental property. I'm so excited for him. This one went so well. He already has another one that we're starting rehab on tomorrow. Really excited for him. Guys, this house right here, Charles bought for $60,000. The rehab here was $47,000. It's gonna get him all in for a little over $100K. It's gonna rent, this thing's gonna rent easily for between $1,200 and $1,300, 100% Section 8 guaranteed. This house was a disaster. It was trashed, it was disgusting, it was outdated. I wish I'd gotten here before to do a before video, but wasn't able to. This house, guys, really beat up, filled with trash. We are about 85 to 95% done with the rehab here. Let's walk through and show you a little bit about what we did. So the first thing we did, guys, we had to update all the electrical, okay? So all of the outlets had to be changed out. Brand new outlets had to be put in virtually throughout the entire house. The entire house was painted. So we painted everything as well. Of course, put all new flooring throughout the entire house. We had a lot of plumbing issues. We had leaks that were pretty severe. We had gas leaks that were bad as well. So we had to have a lot of work done with that stuff, as well as a ton of cosmetic stuff. A lot of drywall issues, broken glass. We had issues with virtually everything that you can have issues with, we had. But it looks really good. I'm so happy with how it came out. It really is going to be an incredible rental. Only thing that is left to do is the kitchen. We have to go in there and do some updates in the kitchen. Everything else has already been done. So beautiful, huge living room here. And then from here, we have a really nice den. We did work to the furnace as well, which is when we realized we had a gas leak. So we just cranked the heat on so you can start feeling the heat in here, which is starting to be really nice. But we have a nice den in here, guys. Off of the den, we have our hallway. Now, this hallway right here is going to lead us to all of our bedrooms. Now, off of this hallway, we have bedroom number 1, which you can also get to from the living room. But we have our bathroom right here. All new flooring, all new vanity, all new toilet, everything brand new in there. Bedroom number 1 in here. And then if you come this way, bedroom number 2 here, which is really big and really nice here as well. All right, so really nice here, really good size, tall ceilings. I wish you guys saw what this thing looked like before, filled with trash. It looks like a totally different home. So these guys did such a great job. One of the things we did here, we put all new doors in and we matched the doors to a lot of the old original doors, which is really cool with the skeleton key. So a really nice touch. Coming through here, at the back of the home, we have our 3rd bedroom. Again, all new outlets, new closet doors, new paneling. Haven't put a light in there yet. All new paneling on the back wall and on all the sides as well. Just really nice, guys. Really happy with how this turned out. Such an unbelievable first rental where you know someone's gonna walk in here and be like, oh my goodness, I have to live here. And that is what we want. We want to have rentals where people walk in and they say, I need this. And a lot of times, and I talk about this on the channel, but when you're doing rehabs, it's not always about what needs to be done. It's about what needs to be done. That's, of course, the most important aspect, but what is going to attract the tenant? What's going to make our unit better than all the other units that are on the market? And then lastly, what can we do to this unit that's going to make somebody stay here for the long term? So what can we do to make somebody stay here for 30 years, 40 years? That's what we want. We want to make sure that our tenant, when their kids move out, they bring their kids back. How do we do that? Well, we buy houses that have the right layouts, like this, that are smooth. We buy houses that have huge kitchens, right? That are big. We buy places that have big living rooms, that get sunlight, This home right here is right across the street from a huge park, tennis courts, basketball courts, baseball fields, everything. Tons of size, storage room. You have to make decisions like that. And guys, if you want to be a part of our team, this is attainable for you. Send me an email. My email is below in the description and we'll get you started. But let's head into the kitchen. So the kitchen is the last piece of this that needs to be done. And we got to clean this whole kitchen up. We're going to take the dishwasher out. We got to do a bunch of stuff in here. We got to replace some flooring in here as well and clean this thing up. But look at the size of this kitchen. Look at this. It's huge. It really is. And we have our laundry, we have our washer dryer hookups in that closet right there. So everything you need is here. This is a cook's kitchen. This is a chef's kitchen. One thing we'll do, we gotta rip this dishwasher out, we gotta put a new refrigerator in, we gotta rip this stove out, we gotta rip that old oven out as well. So everything here we're gonna get rid of, put all new appliances in here, clean up the flooring, take care of everything in this room as well. This was our 3/4 inch plywood that we used to redo a lot of the subfloor in this house. And guys, you hear me talk about this all the time, but we have our 3/4 inch plywood. This is what you need to use for subfloors. This house had a ton of subfloor issues. So what you do is you come in here and you do things the right way. We've shown a lot of times on the channel where you take a step on the floor and your foot almost goes through because people are using particle board or this kind of plywood for your subfloor. It's not what you do. It can't sustain your weight. When you do new flooring, you use the right size plywood to do it, okay? So you gotta do things the right way, and that is what we do to keep people in our units and to do right by the tenants, because at the end of the day, is it about making money? 100%, we're running a business. But in real estate, this is the only other thing that I've ever done that I've seen the impact we can make on other people's lives, right? We're dealing in the business of other human beings, and that is extremely important. So we have to make decisions that not only affect us, but that we know are going to affect our tenants. So when you do things the right way, you can feel good because you're helping somebody else, but you can also feel good because you're bettering your life, setting yourself better for wealth in the future and for passive guaranteed income. And it all starts by making the right decisions and thinking about others as well. So guys, if you want to do that, send me an email below. Otherwise, so happy for you, Charles. Can't wait to do the next one with you. This one's going to be a cash cow. We'll see you guys next time.